this new incentive model. And we've moved from just incenting on transaction to now incenting across the full selling cycle, from sales into transact and all the way out into deploy and support. And then the third piece was we brought out the industry-leading cloud programs with Cloud Essentials and Cloud Accelerate. And thousands of you are in those programs today, making money in the cloud with us hand in hand. So it's been an incredible 18 months, but we are just been laying foundation. We are just getting started, folks. Because as I said on Monday, we aspire to more. We aspire to nothing less than leadership. Leadership in cloud business software. Come on, guys. This is Microsoft and its partners. Microsoft and its partners. And we're not in this being second place. Are you? Anyone here want to be second place? No. Okay? So, as I've gotten to travel the world the last 2 years, I get to work. I get to work with you. We go to meetings together. We meet with customers. We solve problems together. But I've also listened. I also listened to you. And you've told me that while we're doing well, there are a few things that you need to really help us break through to that next level. What you told me is products. The products we got are really good. But you said you want our very best. You want spectacular products and nothing less. You like the relationship you've got with our field teams. That's where the selling is really happening. You like that connection. But you want to do even more business together. So you told me we need to strengthen that business connection there. And you said, show us the path to profit. Show us the path to profit in the cloud. Show me how the cloud can be the most profitable path with Microsoft. And you know what? We listened. I listened. All of Microsoft has been listening. We know you need the very best of each of these three components if we're going to win together in this new era. So to do this, we had to start at our core, which is the products. Over the last 2 days, you've gotten to see that we are in great shape with the products. We've got Windows 8, we got Windows Server 2012, we've got Office 365, we've got SQL Server 2012, and we've got the new release of System Center. And then we're filling it out with all of the other products around it. It really is the most important release wave in history of Microsoft. And Kevin's going to talk more about this in a few minutes. So it's up to us to put this all together and take it to market in FY13. So we got the great products, but it takes more. It's going to take that local support. It's going to take that local connection. Because this is where the rubber really hits the road, when we're out there doing the selling. So in FY13, we've done a number of things to really help strengthen the field connection here. It starts off with the PAMs. You've been asking us and saying, I'm having good business development discussions, but I want to take those to the next level. I want to grow my business, and I need some help. And so we've been upskilling our PAMs so that our PAMs are able to have those business development discussions with you. The second thing is, you guys want to build out practices. You want to add new practices to your existing businesses. So we've taken the hundreds of PTAs that are out in the field, and we've focused them in on building practices with you and expanding the practices that you've got going into FY13. Third, you guys want to drive sales pipeline, right? Anyone out there want to drive sales pipeline? So we are adding hundreds of telesales reps to help drive that pipeline with you guys. And then you guys want to close pipeline. You guys want to close the pipeline. And so we're adding over 100 telesales specialists, product specialists, to help us close the pipeline in FY13. So we put the resources out there. You see they're aligned by that selling cycle. And they're there to help you support and win in FY13. And that's great. But one of the things you guys ask me when I come out and visit, and in fact, somebody asked me this question just yesterday. And the question is, what about the Microsoft field? What's going on with those guys? How are they getting paid in FY13? And what I can tell you is we are introducing a new cloud revenue hurdle. So our field is not going to get into accelerators. Our field is not going to make the big bucks until they hit their cloud revenue number too. So we're all in this together, folks. And let's look at what happens when we get it right.